For this month's evidence of success, I wanted to talk about a favorite type of client and buyer of mine, which is investors. So for our investors, a lot of times they don't really want to provide a lot of tax returns, or in many cases, they're also self-employed and have huge losses for those businesses. So we do have a great product for those investors to help with keeping those documents down. It's called DSCR. That stands for Debt Service Credit Ratio, or I like to call it the new school stated income loan. There's actually no tax returns or no actual income turned in on this loan type. The loan has to debt service. What that means is that we will order a appraisal with a rent schedule. That appraiser will then tell us what the market rent of that home is, and as long as payment matches what that rent is, then the loan's going to qualify. But even better news, we can go up to 125% of that rent. So meaning if the rent is over what our actual payment is, the loan can still qualify. And with 30% down instead of 20 or 25, we can do a no-ratio loan. So it actually doesn't even matter. The rent covers the payment or even comes close. So we've actually worked with quite a few clients to help them build their rental property portfolio by using this type of loan. It can actually go up to, I think, 20 properties owned and financed with this type of financing. And the cool thing, most investment properties do not allow gift funds, but DSCR allows you to have only 5% of your own funds and the rest can come from a gift. We see this in a lot of cases where we have investors' parents that would like to give them some money and maybe be part of that investment, but not really be on the loan or really any active activity in renting out that home, but they do want to gift them some money. On a traditional investment property, this would not be allowed. Another cool factor of the DSCR, we can get up to 6% seller paid closing costs, and we can allow the temporary 2-1 interest rate buy down. Neither of those things are allowed on investment properties either. We can only do 2% seller concession for closing costs on a conventional investment. Like I said, no gift funds and no 2-1 temporary buy downs. So if you're an investor out there and you are looking to build more of your investment portfolio, you're worried that you might have too high of a debt ratio, give me a call. I would love to chat with you about this unique type of loan. It's priced much worse than a regular investment property. And like I said, I have many investors that have bought numerous properties with me using this type of loan, and they have a pre-approval letter basically ready to go whenever they find another one, because they will use DSCR, which allows them to qualify without worrying about that income ratio. Give me a call if you'd like to talk about this unique lending program. We don't broker them. We do them in-house here at Cross Country, and we can close these loans in 30 days or less.